Hi there and welcome back. Now that you've got a course outline created, now's the time to start applying that course outline to your Kajabi product blueprint. So first I'm going to do just kind of a quick introduction to what a product outline is in Kajabi. So I'm going to click on my Kajabi course from the products menu. And this is a Kajabi course outline. And you'll see you have the title of your Kajabi course here. And you'll have, your image, your poster image that you've already selected and any price that you've decided on. But these are the four main tabs we're going to be working with before we get into the product outline itself. First is edit details. You've already done this, which is how you got to this point. So we'll go back. And next is preview. And in here, you can click on that and you can preview what the course looks like after, it's all been customized. Next is customize itself. And when you click that, that's how you can customize the look of the theme or add a new course theme. You can pick it here, or you can upload one maybe that you've purchased. That's where you'll make changes to the overall look and feel of your course. And the next is more action. So when you click on that, a drop-down comes up. And in here, you can make a course announcement that'll go out to all your students. You can manage any comments that have been left for you. You can view the progress of your students. You can copy your course, which is great. So say you want to offer a small version of the same course, you can copy it and then just take out lessons that you're not using. And you can also delete the course. So that's if you just don't want the course anymore. Now, in the product outline itself, you'll see it does work just like an outline that you did to map out your course, but just like an outline that you would see of, any document, actually. You have your product outline. This is the actual, main category for your product. And in here, this is where you'll add categories or upload multiple videos. Now, categories in Kajabi are like your lesson titles and, like your lesson folder. So you'll have, and here you have course contents. This could be changed to lesson 1, just, simply by clicking on this. And sometimes I think it's easier to visualize this, to change it to let's put this as module 1. Just so people know what it is. And in here, this is the top level category. Here's the description, whether it's published, draft, or locked, dripped, the poster image for this particular module if you want to use a different one, and all of the contents that's in this. And I'm just going to click Save. And we'll go back to our course. And under Module 1, when you click this, it'll say Add Post or Add a Subcategory. Posts in Kajabi are your actual, what would be considered lessons. So, if you want to add a lesson in here, you would just click Add Post and, the screen will pop up and you can add a title and add your lesson. If you want to add a subcategory, that's if you want to divide up. You can add a subcategory, which is like a little mini folder, and then any lessons that are relative to that will go underneath it. You can publish and unpublish any of them. And if you click on it, you'll see a white glove pops up. And that's how you'll edit the details for that particular lesson. So in here, you can upload a video, do an assessment, change the title, the category it's under, add some body text, add a download, add automations, and so on and so forth. So we'll go back. And that's really all there is to it. So, now that you have an understanding of how this layout works, I think it's going to help you make more sense of how your outlined content is going to fall into place within your course. So that's all there is to it, and I will see you soon.